AI is not helping brands. It's eliminating them. Silently. You think you're competing with other companies. You're not. You're competing with pattern recognition systems that scan millions of signals every second. They don't care about your effort. They don't care about your story. They don't care how long you've existed. They care about one thing: predictability. If you look like something they've already seen, you get compressed. If you sound like everyone else, you get filtered. If your value is based on price, you get replaced. AI does not reward noise. It rewards distinction. If people don't slow down for you, the system decides you don't matter. And once that decision is made, you don't decline. You disappear. No warning, no notification, no dramatic collapse, just fewer impressions. Less reach, lower distribution. Until you're invisible. Here's the part nobody wants to hear. If AI can describe your brand in one generic sentence, you're replaceable. If AI can recreate your offer in seconds, you're not unique. If AI can predict exactly what you'll post next, you've already lost. Because in the age of intelligent systems, similarity is death. And the algorithm is not emotional. It is statistical. It doesn't punish you. It simply stops selecting you. You were never competing for attention. You were competing for memory. And memory is earned through contrast. Not volume, not frequency, not discounts. Contrast. So, ask yourself, when the machine scans your brand tomorrow, will it detect distinction? Or just another pattern? Adapt. Or be archived? Brand,